How to use game capture in OBS Studio. So this is really useful if you want to go and stream or start recording your gameplay. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a scene created over in the bottom left hand side. You can then click on the plus icon next to sources and we need to select game capture. Now you can go and give this a name. I'm just going to keep it as game capture and then press OK. Click on the drop down arrow next to mode and change this to capture specific window. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to window, and this is where you need to go and select your game. Now, if you can't see your game in the list, it's because it's not running on your computer. So I'm just going to open up my start menu and I'm going to open up the Roblox player as this is the game I want to start streaming. Once your game's running in the background, you should be able to click on this drop down arrow and you should be able to select it from this list. You can then decide to customize any of these settings and just press OK. Now you should be able to see your game from this window here, and if you need to either reposition or resize this, then you can do so just by dragging the edges like so, and you can make this either bigger or smaller. Now you can also make sure it fits to the window by right clicking, click on transform and then select fit to screen. Now if for some reason you're seeing a black screen here or it's not capturing your gameplay, then what you'll need to do is click on the plus icon once again, and instead of using the game capture, you'll need to use window capture instead. You can then press OK, click on the drop down next to window, and then you can just select your game from here. Now once your game's been added to OBS Studio, you could just go and press start recording or start streaming. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.